So we've used the keyboard successfully. We'll run the program, and as you run it, we'll just see what happens. Run it there. Type in the name of the product, Apple. I've got 2 of them, and it cost 20 pence. Right? What I do now is I want to work out what they're worth. So the last part says there, work out how much the products are worth. To do that, I take the price I already have, I take the amount I already have, and multiply them together to get how much they're worth. So to do that, I'll put some code in. I need a new variable, double. The reason why I'm using a double is because it's money and it has a decimal point in it, therefore I need double. I need to give it a name, so I'll call it D worth. That's a good name. Equals. Now I'm going to get errors here, but it's okay. I'll type in the first thing, so it'll be S product amount multiplied by S product price. Now, it goes red because it's a mistake. What it's saying here is, you can't take a string of text and multiply it by a string of text. That's not mathematics. That's not how it's done. So, we typed in at the keyboard. Now look at your keyboard right now. You've got numbers on the keyboard, yeah, that's fine. You've also got letters and symbols. So you could have typed anything you wanted into this program, and it would have accepted it. Then when you press enter, the information is then stored away in one of the variables. So for example, if you typed in the amount, imagine instead of typing in 2, you typed in TW0, the word 2. This variable has to hold that, and that's why it's a string, because anything can be typed in. Anything with the keyboard is text as well, so we have to make it all a string. So it accepts numbers and it accepts text as well. And that's why I had to use a string there. If I didn't use a string there, it could easily have crashed. Plus, this scanner expects me to use a string to do this. What I have to do now though is take this string, whatever someone typed in, and convert it into a number. Now imagine if I typed in the number 2, which is fine. In reality, that looks a little bit like this. Quotes to quotes. Right, that's what it looks like. It looks like it's in quotes because it's expecting a string. So I basically have to try and remove those quotes by converting it to a different type of thing. Now I want it to be a number. I think the amount, it could be an integer if I wanted to. You're not going to get 2.7, but you might get 2.5, maybe get 2.5 of the products, which would be strange. I'll still make it a double, but I could use integer as well, but I'll make it double by saying this, double. You notice I use double with a capital D, double dot, a lot of stuff pop up, P-A-R, parse, that's there, parse double with a capital D again, then open brackets, and it throws all this rubbish in here for me. Just press the delete key, delete that bracket there, and put that bracket you just deleted over here. So it's still a red error message, that's fine. What I'm saying here is though, I want to take this, so that's a string, and use it with this. What this does is, it takes a string and makes it into a double value instead, so it makes it into a number. I'll do the same with the other half, which is also a string double, dot parse, double, open bracket, then the end bracket there, and then I'll save it. What you see straight away is, the red underlined error messages have now disappeared. So it's accepting the fact that you've taken that and turned it into a double value, that's a double value, and that's the multiplication of it. Now I want to see the answer, so let's put in a nice little message, system.out.println, and I can say something like, they are worth, yep, nice little message there, plus, now I could do this, I could just do D worth, yep, that would work, we'd see the answer, but it might not look like money, so let's format it with that thing we had earlier, nf uk.format, bracket, and then close bracket round about it. So that makes it look like UK money again. So let's save this, then we'll run it. I want to do apples again, so apple, I've got 2 apples, they still cost 20 pence, apparently they're now worth 40 pence. So that tells you how much money I spent, that's how much they're worth. Let's run it once more. You can do anything you want now, so let's say instead of apple, let's do pear. I've got 6 of them, and they cost a little bit more, they cost 35 pence. There you go, and it does it again. Now hopefully you've noticed by doing these 2 examples when I'm running it, It now means you can put in any type of product with any value for the amount, and it'll any price it as well, and it gives you a different answer. So you've now made a piece of code that's worthwhile. You can use this again and again and again to work out some maths about products.